Would you believe that I only used two products to achieve this sun-kissed makeup look? Starting off with a bronzer from Spotlight Cosmetics in their Sunbeam Baked Powders collection. Using a contour brush, I'm putting it on areas where I usually put my bronzer so that my face would be colored. After that, I got a clean stippling brush to further blend it out and so that the edges would be seamless. Using a fluffy blending brush, I'm using the same bronzer to contour my eyes so that it would have more dimension. And now proceeding to the Baked Blush, which is my favorite shade among all the shades that they sent me. I love how bright this shade is, and the coverage is actually pretty sheer, so you can build it up, and it also has some shimmers, so you don't need a highlighter for this already. This is also what I use on my eyelids, but moments after I realized that it's better to pat it on my eyelids to have that maximum pigment. And I love it as an eyeshadow because the shimmers are just really pretty. After that, I'm just retouching the contour on my eyes so that it would have more dimension. I just put the lippy on, and this is my final look. This is under my panel lights, and this is what I look like under natural lighting.